In this video, you'll learn how to use the MindTap Date Manager. To set due dates and available dates on your MindTap activities, the easiest view to use is the third view, which is the Date Manager. This will give you a listing of all of the activities that are included within MindTap. To set an available or due date, you can use the relevant calendar icons that are to the right of the activity name. If you wanted to set the same available and/or due date for multiple activities, simply click on the checkboxes for the relevant activities. You'll notice that when you select two or more activities, a blue bar will appear at the top of the page, and this allows you to set an available date or a due date that will apply to everything that you've selected. Note that you do not have to set an available or a due date on any activities, and you can choose just to set a due date if you don't want to limit its availability. In this example, I'm going to go ahead and set the due date for these three reading activities. I'm going to click on my calendar, and for instance, we'll say that these are due on Thursday the 23rd, and then you can set a time. You've selected the date and time that this activity is due, and then you're going to click on Apply. Here you can see that this applies that due date to all three activities that you've selected. If you wanted to change one of these due dates, you certainly can. You just click back on the calendar, and you can make a change to the due date. If you want to remove a due date, again, click on the calendar and then just hit Clear, and that will clear the date that you've set for that activity. You'll notice that once you set a due date on an activity, it will show in the relevant week in the weekly view. Students will be able to click on the link from the weekly view to access the activity.